Hi, my name is Matt. I'm a nurse practitioner and clinical educator here at Kosmos. Let's walk through how to install and use your Kosmos Link. Kosmos Link is a flexible, robust, portable solution that, whether on the stand or on the go, offers cart-based capabilities like multiple transducer connections, extreme battery life, and simultaneous scanning while plugged into power. In addition to using Kosmos on a cart, Kosmos Link allows you to use full Kosmos capabilities on a flat surface, or even hanging from an IV pole. Let me show you how to set up Kosmos Link. First off, you're going to want to install the tablet bracket onto your tablet. The tablet bracket, which is this trapezoidal shaped sticker, and this alignment template will come in your Kosmos Link packaging. While I'm showing you on an iPad, you will follow the same procedure on any other compatible tablet. Take your alignment template and align it to the back of the tablet so the camera of the tablet is within this cutout. Now this next step is permanent, so take care to ensure everything is lined up. Go ahead and peel off the film on the sticky side of the tablet bracket. Make sure you pull down this tab so it's taut at these two edges here. This will ensure that the bracket is installed in the correct place and at the correct angle. Align the top edge of the bracket with the top edge of the template cutout. Now drop the bracket down. Press and hold for 30 seconds. This will bond the bracket to the back of your tablet. Now that you have the bracket installed on the tablet, the next step is to attach your tablet to the Kosmos Link. You'll want to line this up with the grooves on the link, so you'll just line it up from above, and then once you find it, go ahead and slide it down. You will hear a click. That means it's locked in there and won't come out without unlocking it. To connect the link to your iPad, simply plug the cable that comes out of the link into the USB-C port on your tablet. To remove your iPad from the link, you'll lift this rubber cap on the link. Pull the orange slider to the side and then just lift and release. The last step is to plug in your probes. Kosmos Link works with both Torso-One and Lexsa. The nice thing about Kosmos Link is that you can have both probes plugged in at the same time. Also, because the probe connection is higher off the ground and under the tablet, you will have extended reach for various exams and procedures, as well as keeping the cables and connectors from any danger of being rolled over or bumped. You'll want to run the cords through the front of this gap here. And then plug the probe into one of these orange ports. You want to make sure that the cable is pointed towards the middle. And you can repeat this process with the cable from the second probe if you have one. The ports on the link are compatible with either probe, so don't worry about the order in which you connect them. So we covered installing the link bracket on your iPad, connecting the iPad to the link mount, and how to connect and manage probe cables with your link. Find additional information in the Kosmos user guide at ekkonos.com or reach out to your local Kosmos representative. We are here to help.